From sleepless nights and rocking chairs, your smiling face was always there. From little trucks and building blocks, you held my hand while I learned to walk. You were my best friend, my inspiration, the one I looked up to. Hey Mom, the first lady in my life was you. There were bedtime snacks and nursery rhymes. For goodnight prayers, there was always time. You taught me to live by the golden rule, and he made sure I got to Sunday school. Your discipline with love my whole life through. A gentle touch was all I ever knew. Hey Mom, the first lady in my life was you. Then later on came sports and games. You'd sit in the stands and he'd call my name. And win or lose, you'd smile and say, son, I'm proud of you, everything's okay. And you were the one I'd always turn to when times were sad and blue. The first lady in my life was you. To say thank you for birthdays and camping and so much more. Little things that mean so much, like laundry done with a loving touch. And who could forget 3 meals a day, and the carpools and the scouts and PTAs. Hey Mom, the first lady in my life was you. So here we are today. Now I'm finally grown, about to take a wife and start a family of my own. And everything I am, I owe to you. You molded me so carefully and you saw me through. Well, it's hard to tell you how I feel without a lot of much, but I must tell you true. Hey Mom, oh I'm so glad the first lady in my life was you. Was you.